Pew 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 pew. That's what we've got so far for sound effects. So it'll only get better from here. Okay, this is Jimmy with lorebuild.com. This will be our first YouTube experience. We did not record sound, realized that the camera had the sound off, so things will only get better from here. Now that we've realized that, I am doing my sound after the video and editing. But we are going to paint a World War II shark-faced fighter jet bait. We're going to do this on a whopper plopper. You'll notice here momentarily I'm going to be showing you a can of how I get my chrome, and I use a Rust-Oleum metallic finish in chrome. So you will see that can. We are also going to use some water slide images, which are very similar to temporary tattoos. You can print these on an inkjet printer. You have to clear coat them, make sure the clear coat's dry, and then your image will slide off. Very easy for logos, symbols. If you want to sign your baits, you can make up a logo or symbol and apply that right to the underbelly or wherever you want to on the bait. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get into a copper color. This is a Createx Auto Air Metallic. It kind of will give it a rust effect or aged metal, kind of like the World War II planes. We're going to do a riveted design towards the end, and we're going to apply our water slides. But I'm going to fast forward here. We're just going to kind of coat the top, coming down the sides a little bit with that copper tone. Okay, next thing you guys are going to see me do, we're going to pull out my stencil. I cut these on a laser cutter. Used to use a Cricut cutter, but I could not cut as thick of materials. I wanted stencils that would last. Since we do sell stencils on lorebuild.com, I want to be able to hit them with a heat gun, put tape on them, rip tape off without the stencil falling apart. We're going to apply the rivet stencil. We're going to do both sides, and we are going to do a little bit on top. And we're getting close to completion for paint, and we will switch over to the water slide designs. Okay guys, we're getting to the water slides. You're going to notice as you see me, just literally I soaked the paper in water. After it was clear coated, I cut out my design, and these are sliding right off, and we're going to apply those just like you would a temporary tattoo to the bait itself. You will see some better pictures here at the end. This is our first experience with YouTube using a live action camera, and we've had some issues with sound, with lighting. It's only going to get better from here. It can't get much worse. Towards the end, I am going to slow the video down so you can get a good look at the bait in the best lighting I could currently get at night, doing this painting at night in my garage. It's pretty dark in here, and the lighting I have kind of is good for me to see, but not good for you guys to see. So we're going to add some better lighting. Here it is in all its glory. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. I understand. I will try to put a picture of the actual bait for the front of the video that you guys can see. But it came out pretty nice. I posted on Facebook to show a couple guys what I did. And before I could even get the video edited, everybody wanted to buy this lure. So very easy, very quick. I did speed through a couple things. It was about 15 minutes total to actually make the video. I've shrunk it down to 5 minutes to show you guys what I'm doing. That way you get a general idea. But check us out on lorebuild.com. We've got blanks, we've got eyes, we've got customized glass eyes. We sell parts and soon to have paint as well. There's going to be more videos coming, hopefully higher quality, better video, better sound, and better lighting.